Hi, this is Alex from Groovy Entertainment. Today we got another book to read for you. Today's book is Just Me and My Puppy from 1983. So let's get started. I wanted a puppy just for me, so I traded my baseball mitts for one. My little sister liked them right away, and boy was Mom and Dad surprised. They said I could keep him if I took care of him myself. So I am taking very good care of my puppy. I feed him in the morning. He eats every bite. Then I put him on a leash and we go for a walk. I am teaching my puppy how to heel. He had learned how to stay, except when he sees a cat. My puppy knows a lot of tricks. How to sit, how to play dead, how to roll over. He still needs some work. He still needs some practice. But he already knows how to stretch. My puppy is a big help around the house. He is a good guard dog. He brings in the paper for my dad. And he keeps me company while I do my homework. Sometimes my puppy get dirty. Then I give him a bath. I give him nice. I get him nice and dry so he won't catch a cold. Then we get ready for bed. Just me and my puppy. So that was just me and my puppy for 1983. So if you like, subscribe, share, and comment, and have a groovy day. We'll have another video coming out real soon.